Hey, how you doing? I can't hear crap with that in. This is a job that I've been putting off for a long time. And basically what happened is you can see all the dragon fruit growing on the roof here. It's just put a massive amount of weight on this really old roof that houses my ride-on mower and collapsed it. I mean, it's a cool little design. The engineering was a little bit underdone because people in the old days just did what they could with what they had. So that's why I've got these really handy things called acro props. Wind them up, they got a massive thread, and you just wind up this big knuckle on a thread and it extends it telescopically up and just takes all that weight off and actually pushes it up to where you need it to be. And then you can fix your structure or put in posts if you need posts or beams, whatever. I think right here, all I'm going to do is just double up the existing members with just more timber, put in batten screws and just laminate it all together. That'll do for a mower shed. You can hear that creaking. So you can see there, I've nearly topped out how far I can maxed out the height until I have to go down to another hole, start all over again. But I got to that height. What you have to do is try and prop it at that height before you can release the prop underneath. I need something about 2 meters. Damn, it's under some pressure. Oh, can this even be fixed? Need a hammer. Here, this one has stayed connected to the ridge beam. But you can see there, that one hasn't stayed connected to the ridge beam. So I'm going to have to try and laminate a beam under there so I can steal this prop, prop that back up and then somehow fix it back. Sorry, prop that back up and fix it back into the ridge beam. It's basically how you use acro props. They're pretty useful. I mean, this job's not pretty, it's not ugly, it's just pretty ugly.